What if I told you that a simple spice could boost your health, speed up your metabolism, and even sharpen your mind? That spice is cinnamon. In this video, we'll reveal its incredible benefits and show you easy DIY recipes you can make at home. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body process glucose more efficiently. This effect stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. By slowing down carbohydrate digestion, cinnamon reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption aids in better glucose control, but individuals with diabetes should consult their doctor before making it a part of their daily diet. Cinnamon contains potent antioxidants like polyphenols, which fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress contributes to premature aging and chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. By neutralizing harmful molecules, cinnamon protects cells from damage, reducing inflammation and enhancing overall well-being. It remains a natural and effective way to boost the body's defense system. Cinnamon helps lower total cholesterol, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. It also regulates blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon supports heart function by improving blood circulation and reducing arterial stiffness, making it a heart-healthy addition to any diet. Cinnamon naturally contains compounds that reduce inflammation, which plays a role in many chronic diseases. It helps alleviate joint pain, muscle soreness, and other inflammatory conditions. By minimizing excessive inflammation, cinnamon protects tissues and organs, promoting long-term health and preventing cellular damage. It is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with inflammatory disorders. Cinnamon supports cognitive function and may slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It helps prevent the accumulation of tau proteins in the brain, a key factor in Alzheimer's. Additionally, cinnamon stimulates neural activity, improving memory and concentration. Its neuroprotective properties contribute to better mental clarity and long-term brain health. Cinnamon promotes digestive health by stimulating enzyme production, reducing bloating, and relieving stomach discomfort. It helps regulate bowel movements, prevents indigestion, and fights harmful bacteria in the gut. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, cinnamon supports a balanced gut microbiome, improving overall digestion. Drinking cinnamon tea or adding it to meals naturally enhances gastrointestinal health. Cinnamon has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to combat infections. It is effective against harmful bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella, while also preventing the overgrowth of fungi, like Candida albicans, a common cause of yeast infections. Its antimicrobial nature makes it an excellent natural remedy for protecting the body against infections. Cinnamon boosts the immune system with its antiviral and antimicrobial compounds. It helps the body defend itself against colds, flu, and respiratory infections. By reducing inflammation and supporting immune responses, Cinnamon enhances the body's ability to fight off pathogens. Regular consumption improves overall immunity and reduces susceptibility to seasonal illnesses. Cinnamon aids in weight management by increasing metabolism and stabilizing blood sugar levels. It reduces cravings, prevents sudden hunger spikes, and enhances fat-burning processes. Its thermogenic properties encourage the body to burn more calories, making it a helpful addition to a healthy diet and active lifestyle. Drinking cinnamon-infused water or adding it to smoothies can aid in weight loss. Cinnamon supports oral hygiene by reducing bacteria that cause bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Its natural antibacterial properties make it an effective ingredient in mouthwashes and toothpaste. Regular use helps decrease plaque buildup, promoting fresher breath and overall dental health. Incorporating cinnamon into oral care routines provides a natural way to maintain strong teeth and gums. So, what can we make using cinnamon? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Mix all ingredients into a thick paste. Take 1 teaspoon daily, especially during cold seasons, to support immunity. Steep all ingredients in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink warm after meals to aid digestion. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Consume in the morning for sustained energy. Mix all ingredients in a jar. Let sit for 24 hours. Take 1 teaspoon when feeling sick. Steep all ingredients in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink before bedtime to promote relaxation. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.